ever considered the hidden dangers of CFD trading that could wipe out your savings in a heartbeat? Here's the truth no one wants to admit. CFDs are not for the faint-hearted. These financial instruments amplify risk through leverage. And the numbers don't lie. 79% of retail traders lost money last year alone. But here's where it gets controversial. How many of those traders truly understood the risks before diving in? Let's break it down. At their core, CFDs, contracts for difference, let you bet on price movements without owning the underlying asset. Sounds simple, right? But here's the twist. Leverage is a double-edged sword. If you trade with 10-to-1 leverage, a $1,000 deposit gives you control over $10,000 worth of a stock or Forex pair. A 10% price drop. Suddenly, you're out $1,000, your entire investment. And this is the part most people miss, the speed of losses. A volatile market swing can trigger a margin call, forcing your position to close at a loss before you even have time to react. Think about it. Would you trust a casino to let you gamble with a loan? That's essentially what leverage does. Retail investors, often lured by the promise of quick profits, overlook the math. For every dollar they risk, they could lose 10. And yet, the industry keeps pushing it. Is the financial sector doing enough to protect novice traders? Or are they prioritizing profits over education? Before you click trade, ask yourself, do I fully grasp how margin calls work? Can I survive a 50% account drop overnight? If the answer is no, you're not alone. But here's the kicker. Those 79% who lost money, they probably asked the same questions. Now it's your turn. Agree or disagree? Should stricter regulations force traders to pass a basic risk quiz before touching CFDs? Share your thoughts below.